Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, and display panel assembly. Removal. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool and starting with the top edge, carefully separate the edges of the display panel from the display enclosure. Caution: take care not to damage the webcam when removing the display panel. The webcam is partially held in place with adhesive located on the display enclosure, and it may be necessary to release it from the adhesive before removing the display panel. Lift the display panel until you have access to the right display panel hinge screws. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the right display panel hinge off of the alignment pins and remove the display panel and touchscreen cables from the right display panel hinge. Remove the display panel. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.